If you don't know how to create a great prompt, then save this video for future reference. So what makes a great prompt? Great prompt will include these things. It should be clear, it should be specific, contextual, goal-oriented, and format-directed. Let me show you how. Let's get started. So what to include in your prompt? You should first include the topic or the question. So what you are talking about, what you are asking about. For example, I want to help writing a business plan for my new online course. So that will be your question. Second, it should include a context or a background. Okay, so give a relevant information about what you are asking. For example, I am targeting women aged 30 to 50 years who want to start digital coaching from home. Then third thing, you have to mention about the objective or the desired outcome which you want at the end of the answer which ChatGPT is going to give you. Okay, for example, I want a detailed outline of the business plan including sections on marketing and pricing. Then fourth, you should mention about the preferred style or a format. So for example, how you want your answer to be delivered. So you can say that please give me a bullet point outline with example or maybe paragraph, whatever you want your format to be. Then fifth is the tone and the depth, that is level of detail and the tone you should use. Okay, you are going to give this command to ChatGPT, like make it a beginner friendly or maybe a motivational or easy to understand. These are the command which you can give it, the tone which you can set in. Then the next is the any constants like time, word limit or restriction, that also you have to mention. For example, if you want a blog article and you want to give it like keep it under 500 words, so you have to mention that, then only the ChatGPT is going to give a perfect prompt for you. Now this is the prompt engineering formula you should save for yourself. What you have to give is, for example, this is the main common context which you have to give. I want you to help me with the topic, mention the topic. Here is the context, mention the context. My goal is, give your objective. I prefer the format in a tone, whatever tone or the style you want to mention. Please consider these constants. For example, if I am a health coach and I want to give ChatGPT a question or a query, then I will give, I want tips to improve my digestion naturally. So the topic is digestion and the context is, I have a sensitive stomach and prefer Ayurvedic approaches. So my objective is, I want Ayurvedic approaches. My goal is to create a daily routine. Now the format which I am giving is, give me bullet points with explanation, and the tone which I have set is simple and practical. So this is what the prompt engineering formula is. I hope you got it. Please try it and let me know in the comment section how it feels to you. Thank you so much. Bye.